Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zendesk Sell to HubSpot for shared contacts syncing, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Zendesk Sell to HubSpot for shared contacts syncing, start by logging into your Zendesk Sell account. Navigate to the Settings section from your dashboard. Look for the Integrations tab and click on it. In the Integrations list, locate HubSpot and select it. You will be prompted to authorize the connection to your HubSpot account. Log into your HubSpot account if you are not already signed in. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Zendesk Sell to access your HubSpot data. Once authorized, return to Zendesk Sell. You should see a confirmation that the connection is established. Next, navigate to the synchronization settings within the HubSpot integration page. Select the types of contacts you want to sync between Zendesk Sell and HubSpot. You may choose to sync all contacts or only specific segments based on your needs. Review your choices and confirm the synchronization settings. Now, initiate the first sync by clicking the Sync Now button. Monitor the progress as the contacts begin syncing. Once complete, check your HubSpot contacts to verify they have imported correctly. You can now create workflows in HubSpot that utilize your Zendesk Sell contacts. For ongoing syncing, set your preferred scheduling options in the sync settings. Regularly monitor the integration to ensure contacts remain updated in both platforms. You have now successfully connected Zendesk Sell to HubSpot for shared contacts syncing. Utilize this integration to enhance your sales processes and improve communication across your teams. That concludes the step-by-step guide for setting up this integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.